Namaste. I welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 20th November 2020. First of all, let's have a look on Panchang. So I would request Acharya Sunildat Gautam to tell us about today's Panchang. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। सर्वप्रथम आपको छठ पर्व की शुभकामनाएं। आज विक्रमी संवत 2077 शक संवत 1942 कार्तिक माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की आज षष्ठी तिथि एवं नक्षत्र उत्तराषाढ़ा एवं योग गंड है। आज मार्गशीर्ष माह के 5 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रवि उल्सानी की आज 4 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for sharing today's Panchang. Today is Universal Children's Day. It was established in 1954 and is celebrated on November 20 each year to promote international togetherness and awareness among children worldwide. UNICEF, the United Nations Children's Fund, promotes and coordinates this special day, which also works towards improving children's welfare. In this regard, I would like to share a quote. We cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the Vivekanand future. So I wish you all happy Universal Children's Day. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I would request you all to join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकाय। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकाय। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। चित में करो विराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम। Be ready for national anthem.
जन मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक। जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
Now it's time to hear a motivational story. Today's story will be presented by Mrs. Sukhbir Kaur. The title of the story is Tolerance of Chhatrapati Shivaji. This story will teach us the value of mercy, forgiveness, and tolerance. Let's hear the story. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about the tolerance of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Once, Chhatrapati Shivaji, who was a famous king in India during the reign of Aurangzeb, was riding on his horse in the forest for hunting. While he was going, suddenly a big stone hit his head. Being a king, he became extremely angry. thinking who had the audacity to throw a stone at him. He was looking around to see who did this, but he could not see anybody. Slowly, an old woman came in front of him and told that it was she who threw the stone. When he asked her the reason, she said, "I am sorry, my lord. I wanted to pluck those mangoes from this tree, but I could not reach them. Hence, I threw a stone to hit them, but unfortunately, it hit your head. Please forgive me." Normally, Shivaji would have become angry and punished the offender, but by Lord's mercy, he got a nice realization and thought, if a tree, which is not a highly elevated living entity, can be so tolerant and merciful to give sweet mangoes even when hit by anyone, being a king, should I not be more merciful and tolerant than the tree? Thinking this way, he donated a handful of gold to the old woman. So, students, even the lower living entities of nature, like grass, trees, etc., teach us a lesson that how humble and tolerant we should be. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing such an inspirational story with us. Now, let's know about today's word and sentence from Tanvi of class 4th B. Namaste, Tanvi.
Namaste, I am Tanvi of class 4th B of Saint Vivekanand Millennium School. Today's word is reassert, which means saying something firmly. I repeat my word, reassert, which means saying something firmly. The synonym is reaffirm and the antonym is deny. The sentence of the day is, he speaks loudly to reassert his statements. I repeat my sentence. He speaks loudly to reassert his statements. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Tanvi. Now it's time to wish our birthday students. First of all, we'll wish belated happy birthday to those students whose birthday was yesterday. That means on 19th November 2020. So yesterday was the birthday of Gunika of KGA, Subodh of plus 2 medical, Akash of plus 2 non-medical. So I wish them belated happy birthday. Now today is the birthday of Yuvraj Singh of 3rd A and Arpit Pandey of plus 2 commerce. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. I would request you all to sing with us and bless our students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings on your birthday. Once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. That's it for today. Have a great day. Namaste.